As each day goes by, there's an increasing level of confidence that there hasn't been transmission from that case.
Hundreds of tests have so far returned negative results for COVID in the Whanganui region after places of interest were identified in Bulls and Waiouru. But residents are definitely not out of the woods yet.
It is still the unknown period. There's lots of people who reside in our district who are close contacts that we're following up. And common sense really from our community would be advantageous as we head into the next period, which is critical for us determining whether or not we have spread across the district. And at this stage, it's not outside of Auckland or Wellington, but it could very easily be.
Current research is revealing air transmission of COVID has been underestimated. With the Delta variant many times more contagious, now is not the time for complacency.
If someone is symptomatic and they are spreading it in their household bubble, and they might go out for a walk, as people do in their bubbles, and a lot aren't wearing face shields while they're exercising, there is a real risk of that transmission occurring.
Messages of social distancing and hand hygiene haven't changed much since the first lockdown, but now there is another tool.
Get vaccinated would be the other message. It's the eligibility criteria has changed. bookmyvaccine.nz is the website. I'd really be pushing people there. And I think the only way we are going to have the freedoms that we're accustomed to as a country is through mass vaccinations.
Getting the vaccine may not stop the virus, but studies show it does lessen the need for hospitalisation.
Whilst people can still contract COVID-19 when they're vaccinated, the mortality and also the impact on an individual is far less than if they're not.
The Whanganui DHB was confident from the start there would be a good uptake on the vaccine, and there are no supply issues in the district. It's important to note where you get your vaccine is different from where you get a test. There are a number of testing centres across the region.
We've got quite a few of them. We've got the community-based assessment centre at the hospital. We've also got a testing facility at Gonville Health, Bulls Medical Centre, Tai Happy Health. We're also doing testing in the Waimarino region and Reitahi. And the details are listed on the Whanganui DHB website, and they are updated daily because we will stand up pop-up facilities if required.
While there have been no COVID cases admitted to the hospital, both ED and Whanganui Accident and Medical have still been busy. More than 60 people in one day presenting at ED this week, many of them DIY accidents. Georgie Ormond, Local Focus.